Again and again in Bangalore, death happening. Yesterday also, a 25 years girl was in accident because of the pothole. The pothole accident happened. The girl lost life. This is the scenario of all over the Bangalore, all over the Karnataka. But the Congress government, they has become blind. That's why they are not seeing any people. They are suffering all over Karnataka and Bangalore, suffering from the pothole. But Congress government, Mr. Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar, traveling in helicopter only. They are not traveling in car and road. They are traveling only helicopters. This is the thing happening. So today also, Siddaramaiah is going by air to visit the flood-affected area, not by road, because roads are not good. He only accepted, Siddaramaiah only accepted, these roads are not good, that's why I am not going by road, I am going by helicopter. So this is the thing happening. Every day, injuries happening in Bangalore. Potholes are everywhere. Wherever you go in Bangalore, around the Bangalore, outside the Bangalore also, pothole is there.
Is it somewhere justified, sir, that there was a contractor's letter saying that there is a double commission demand by some of the ministers? Is that the reason that infrastructure is in this state?
Yeah, that's also very important because Mr. D.K. Shivakumar saying, I invest more money, I can give the contractor to the fill the potholes. But today I saw in the newspaper and the electronic media all coming back. Yesterday they put the pothole, today it is open.
It's an unscientific way of filling.
Every Paura Karmika is now complaining in the Bangalore. Corporation employees, corporation Paura Karmikas, today they are showing the picture. So yesterday pothole, today is the opening. We have to sweep the things. That is the thing happening.
So it's an unscientific pothole filling is happening.
100%, no doubt at all. Unscientific for the commission, 80% commission. For the commission only they are filling the potholes. Patchwork. I think entire Bangalore roads are gone. Only asphalt, only the solution, not pothole the solution.